Polizei!
Legen Sie sich auf den Boden.
Legen Sie was?
Hi, I'm Luke, and ever since I was a kid, I've always wondered about the secret equipment police cars are equipped with. Today, I'm at the German company called Mosov, and I'm finally going to find that out. There's one thing though, the facility is huge. So apparently there's someone already waiting for me inside. Hi.
Welcome at our place.
Thank you so much. I'm Luke.
My name is Carsten.
Nice to meet you, Carsten. So we've already had a quick look from above at the facility and it looks massive.
It is massive because we have place for approximately 30,000 cars.
Wow. Are we allowed to go inside and have a look?
Yeah, let's have a look.
Brilliant, thanks. So Carsten, what is actually going on here?
We're converting serial vehicles to police vehicles.
So they come in fully made vehicle.
Then we dismantle all the things inside, put our things inside there, and then assemble it back to a police vehicle.
So for example, some of the features you're giving the police cars.
We're putting some seatings inside. There's also a storage shelf at the rear side for their belongings. We put the escape hatch on the rooftop. Also the foils at the outside that you can see it is a police vehicle.
Yeah, it is very clearly.
And the signal bar on top.
So where are we now?
We are now in the part of the shed where we do the prototyping and the small serial production. So one of our difficulties is to put all the things inside the vehicle, especially the dashboard.
You have to find room because obviously with this van was designed to be a normal day-to-day van, and then you have to adjust everything to accommodate.
It's not only the items are already there, like the display or radio and other items, it's also the airbag, which we have to take care for.
Is this the finished one?
This is a finished one, yes.
With something on top that I've not seen before?
It's a foldable sign, which is used for the highway. So you can put additional blue lights there, you can put an arrow there.
Okay, and how would I turn this on if I wanted to?
Inside, on the bottom, you can see the remote control. And there you have the library with the different signs you can choose.
Okay, yeah. And do you have a finished one? Actually, I could sit in. Okay, so it's time to play with some police buttons.
Where you can control the light and signal, the radio, and like an American police car, you can get an order from your headquarters together with navigation system.
And it comes up here?
It comes here, and you can start the navigation to the...
Simple as that. And here, there's some extra buttons. Is that also for the loudspeaker?
Yeah, it's a backup for this one, so it's similar.
But then I can speak into this as well. I'm guessing this is for the lights.
Yes, there's a main light.
Yes, there we go. This one, interesting, Yelp.
Yeah, this is a stop signal. So if you have this display in front, say stop police, and the other one is not reacting, then you can push this one, then this woo sound is coming, and then he knows, okay, I have to do something like looking in the rear mirror.
Okay. What else do we have here? What's this one here?
Now it's stop police.
Now it's quite interesting for me, obviously knowing, how it all works. Next time, if I ever see that light again, I know what they're doing, which makes it a bit more interesting. If possible, I would also quite like to drive one, and it would be fun to pretend to be a police officer for a little bit.
I think we can also test one. Yes.
I would be really grateful.
The main purpose is to listen to noises for forgotten screws. If something is banging or squeezing, the main vehicle is very noiseless, so we want to increase it.
Okay. I've noticed as well the wipers. It's raining at the moment, but they're also constantly spraying cleaner on the window automatically.
It's a wet wiper system, so it sprays always immediately before it is wiping the windshield.
Okay.
Especially for this car, there's a protective glass in the windshield, so it have to be wet for the wiping of the windshield.
So if okay with you, I would love to test the loudspeakers. We'll do that. What would be a typical thing the German police would say?
Stopp, Polizei.
Stopp, Polizei!
Legen Sie sich auf den Boden.
Legen Sie was?
Sie sich auf den Boden.
Just lie on the floor.
So Carsten, thank you so much for letting me drive a police car and having me here today. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
It was really an absolute pleasure of mine. Please let me know in the comments section what you would all like to see next. And don't forget to check out the previous episodes linked up here and down here somewhere in the corner.